Hey there, homeowners. Is your loft covered in expanding spray foam insulation that you need to remove? Don't stress. Smart Solutions 365 have got you covered. Free survey and quote to safely remove and efficiently replace your loft insulation. We even remove your environmentally damaging waste, as we are licensed waste carriers in the UK. So even before you even think about removing the spray foam yourself, you should realize just how damaging this stuff can be. Trust us, you don't want those tiny particles getting into your lungs or eyes. Once we've removed the foam, there'll still be some stubborn residues left behind. It all gets bagged up and ready to be safely removed from your home or premises. We then re-insulate your roof and loft space with high-grade, government-recommended, friendly thermal insulation. We can even arrange for a property surveyor to approve and sign off the work, so your mortgage lenders will be very happy. And there you have it. Your home or property will be safer and more energy efficient in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart solutions. Why move when you can improve? Call us today or visit smartsolutions-365.co.uk.